So children, today we'll discuss 6.5 exercise triangles NCERT textbook. Okay, leftover sums. Already children we have discussed 1 to 5 sums, and also I told you about 9 to 12 sums. Today I'm going to discuss some leftover sums children. 6th sum. We'll start with 6th sum. 6th sum is very easy sum children. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Please see here children. A, B, C. What is given means they said that A, B, C is equilateral triangle. Okay, and he said each side is 2A also. Each side is 2A. Okay, side is 2A he said. Find altitude. What is altitude is asking. Value of altitude. Children, if you remember in 9th class I told in equilateral triangle altitude is the
Median.
Median.
median. In equilateral triangle always in equilateral triangle altitude is the median. In equilateral triangle altitude is the median means altitude is only median means it divides base into two equal halves because SAS there this common side 90 90 this is 2A this is 2A. Okay children, RHS I'm sorry RHS. So children, so it divides base into two equal halves. In equal triangle altitude is the median. We have to find out altitude. Okay, since ADC is right angle triangle. Apply.
Apply Pythagoras
Pythagoras
theorem.
theorem.
Can anyone apply Pythagoras theorem for ADC?
2a square
2A whole square
is equal to h square plus a square.
h square plus a square. Okay. One second. Yes, children. Now what happens? So 4a square is equal to
4a square is equal to h
2
square
h square
plus
plus
a
a
square.
square.
3a square is equal to h square.
H is equal to root
H is
3a
equal to root 3a square. H
H
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
root
root 3.
3a.
root 3a is altitude. Root 3a is altitude. Meteoroids. Root 3a is altitude. Children. Root 3a. So children, in this exercise, same like this only 16th sum is also there, children. I will tell here. 16th sum, same, ditto, almost. Together I will say so that you will have a little understanding, children. In 16th sum, all of it is easy. In equilateral triangle, he is saying this is an equilateral triangle. Required to prove. He is asking to prove that 3 times the square of one of the side, 3 times the square of the one of the side, any one side, all sides are equal. 3 times the square of one of the side is equal to 4 times altitude. 4 times the altitude. Altitude means 90 degrees. Don't ever forget that. Altitude or height is same, children, or perpendicular. Okay. So he's asking to prove 3 times the square of the any one side is equal to 4 times the altitude. Okay, children. Let's start doing, children. Let's start doing. So can anyone apply ADC builder? For ADC, Pythagoras theorem you apply, children?
AC square is equal
AC square is
equal to AD square plus DC square.
AD square plus C
Sir,
square.
we took AB square, no sir. Why ADC triangle?
Okay, you want AB. Okay, correct. Fine. He want ABC. Okay, Nana. Very good. Okay, for ABD, anyone?
AB
AB
square is
square is
equal
AD
to
square is
equal
equal
to
to
AD
AD square
square
plus
plus
BD
BD
square.
square.
BD square. Okay, so AB square is equal to AD square plus. Can I, what we should write BD as, children? BD is equal to
BD is half of BC, sir.
BC by 2
Half
whole
of
square.
BC.
Why? Because in equilateral triangle,
Median.
median.
altitude is
Median.
in equilateral triangle altitude is median in equilateral triangle. Okay, so AB square is equal to AD square plus. Children, can I write BC as AB?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because it is a
Equilateral triangle.
because it is a equilateral triangle. BC I am writing as AB. So AB by 2 whole square. Okay, children. Now all of you see here, children. I am writing here so that you will not get confusion. I am showing here, children. See here. AB square is equal to AD square plus AB square by 4. AB square is equal to 4 LCM you take, children. 4 AD
4
square.
AD square plus AB square. 4
4 AB
AB square
square
is equal to 4 AD square plus AB square.
Take this here.
3 AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Hence proved.
Answer. 3 times the square of side is 4 times the square of altitude. 3 times the square of side is 4 times the square of altitude. Try to understand, children. 3 times the square of side is 3 times the square of side is 4 times the square of altitude. Same sum, children. That's why I did together. This is 6 times 16 sum, children, in your 6.5 exercise 10th class NCERT maths system. Now, children, we'll go to 7th sum. 7th sum is very, very important, children. 7th and 8th are really equally important, children. So, before telling, let me complete of 17th sum. 17th sum is very small sum. I'll complete of 17th sum, then I'll go to big sums, children. On 17th sum is the very small sum. So, 17th sum is there like this, children. In ABC, AB is 6 root 3 centimeters. Children, in ABC, he's saying AB is 6 root 3. AC is 12 and BC is 6. So longest side we'll put here, one here we'll put, one here we'll put. Okay, children. He is asking what is angle B? What is angle B? What is angle B? Check out for Pythagoras triplet. How to check, children? I told take longest side.
12 square is equal root 6 root 3 whole square plus 6 square. 144 is equal to
36
36 in 108 plus 36. 144 is equal to 144. Yes.
It is a ABC is right angle triangle with angle B is equal to, because it is a Pythagoras triplet. It is a Pythagoras triplet. We did first sum of 6.85 is also like this. Okay, children, now let's go to 7th sum. 7th sum is very, very important. Please concentrate, children. All of you is very, very important, children. Okay, today we will discuss 7th and 8th, children, and remaining sums I will discuss in next class. 7th sum. Prove that the sum of the squares of sides of rhombus, children, this is a rhombus. Okay, children, now if you see here A, B, C, D, this is one diagonal, this is one diagonal, like this. Oh, he's asking to prove that sum required to prove, children, sum of sum of squares of sides of rhombus is equal to sum of squares of its diagonals. Sum of squares of sides of rhombus is equal to sum of squares of its diagonals. Sum of squares of its sides is equal to sum of squares of its diagonals in rhombus. Children, this is a rhombus. Let's do, children. Very easy. OAB is a
right angle triangle.
Can anyone apply Pythagoras theorem?
AB square is equals to AO square plus BO square.
OA square plus OB square. What is OA, children?
Is equal to OC.
AC by 2 whole square. Because in rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. We studied in 9th and 10th, children. In rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. Means this and this are equal, this and this are equal. In rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. I will write here. In rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. That's right. And what is OB, children? What is OB? BD by 2. BD by 2 whole square. Okay, children? So this is AC square by 4. Then I'm mute your audio.
BD by
A square by 4. This is AB. Mute your audio. 4 take common and take there. 4 AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, children? 4 times of AB square means, try to understand, children, common sense, simple common sense. 4 times of AB square means AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. But in rhombus all sides are equal. One AB square I will write as AB square only. One AB I will write as BC. And one AB I will write as CD. And one AB I will write as AB. So sum of squares of sides is equal to sum of squares of its diagonals. That's it, children. If you remember this much, it is enough. Why I wrote OA is equal to AC by 2? Diagonals in rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. In rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. In rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. Don't ever forget this. Okay, children? So, sum of squares of sides is equal to sum of squares of diagonals. Sum of squares of sides is equal to sum of squares of diagonals. Okay, children? Last sum for the day, children. Please practice it some 3 times and show me as a homework, children, for tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, day after tomorrow, entire exercise 6.5 exercise you will be having just, children. So prepare thoroughly, very, very important exercise also. Read some. Please mute your audio, some of you. Please mute your audio, children. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is O, this is D, this is E, this is F. Required to proof. Seeing required to proof, you have to do this one. Children. First required to proof is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OE square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay, second required to proof, children. AF square plus BD square plus CA square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BD square. For seeing it is very big children, but very very easy some children. Before doing construction and do join OA, OB, OC. Okay, children, join it. Join all join lines should be in the form of dots. Children, join. So what children? After joining, children, nothing children for each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 right-angle triangles are there. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Enough children, you will get the answer. Okay. Let's start children. Okay. Jyotsna, are you there? Jyotsna? Jyotsna, are you there? If I call anyone, they won't answer. Jyotsna, are you there? Okay. Jyotsna, are you there? Sanjal, are you there? Sanjal? Banu, are you there? I don't know why this will attend class also. Okay. So, for OAF.
So can I say
Tell Nana, for OAF, Pythagoras theorem.
OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square.
OAF square. For this Pythagoras.
OB square is equal to OF square plus FB square.
OB square is equal to OF square plus BF square. For this right angle triangle.
OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square.
OD square. Yeah, who want to say? Who want to say other student? Please tell. Yeah, tell Amma. Next one.
OC square is equals to OD
OC square is equal to OD square plus BC square.
Any one of you say, Nana. Others take other chance. Okay. Yeah. Sai, you want to say no? Tell OCE. Tell.
OC square is equal to OE square plus EC square.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone boy tell this one? Pythagoras theorem.
AO square is equal to OE square plus AE square.
A square. Okay, then all of you mute your audios. All of you mute your audios. So children, this is equation 1. Mute your audio, Amma, please. Equation 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, see the question. According to the question, AF is there, BD is there, C is there. According to the question, AF is there, BD is there, C is there. AF is here, BD is here, C is here. So according to the question, I will say add 1, 3, 5 equations. That's all. Everything will do according to the question, children. So what I will say means add 1, 3, 5. Why only 1, 3, 5, sir? You will ask. Why 1, 3, 5? Because here AF is there, here BD is there, here C is there. According to the question, I want that only. Chalo, children, when I add, what happens means these 3 equations I will add. You see, children, please don't unmute. OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to, what is first one? OF square plus
It's AF square.
AF square plus, what is this one, children? OD square plus BD square plus, what is third one, children?
OE square plus EC square.
EC square. Now take all O's on the left side, children. All O's, because in the question all O's are on the left side. All O's. Chalo. If you take like that, OA square, OB square, OC square already there. Minus OF
Minus
square.
OS square
Minus OD
Minus
square
OD square minus OE square.
is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is first, children. Now you see carefully, children. Next AE, CD, BF are there. Please mute your audio. Mute your audio. AE, CD, BF. So now add. Now add 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Because according to the question, AE, CD, BF are there. AE, CD, BF. Chalo children, when you do this 3 OB square
OB square plus OC
OC
square
square plus
plus
OA
OA
square
square
is equal to
is equal to
OF
OA
square
square plus B
plus BF
square
square
OD
B
square
square
plus
plus
CD
CD
square
square OE square plus AE square.
OE square plus A square. Again, take all O's onto the left side. When you take all O's onto the left side, this here, this back, this back. So you will get children, see here, OB square
OB square
Square plus
plus
OE
OC
square
square
plus OA square minus
minus
OF
OF
square minus OD square
minus OD square
plus
minus OD square
square.
is equal to
Nana, both of you wait.
DF
Any one only should say, Nana, I'm getting confusion. So BF square, anyone, BF square plus CD square plus
Plus
CD
AE
square
square.
plus
A square. Okay, children, this is, but sir, second equation is not like that, no, you will ask. Second equation, now what I will do, this is seventh equation, this is eighth equation. Children, compare seventh and eighth, compare seventh and eighth. LHS is same in seventh and eighth. LHS is same in seventh and eighth. LHS is same. So equate RHS, that's all. So when you equate RHS, so I'm writing here, equate
AF square
seventh and
plus
eighth equation. Any one only, children, please don't. Any one of you say.
AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to
A square plus BD square.
BD square plus CE square is equal to BF square plus CD square plus AE square. Hence proof.
Hence proof, children. Okay. So children in 7 and 8, LHSs are equal. When I compare LHSs, RHSs are equal. No work, that's all. So 6 times you take according to the question you had. 6 times you take according to the question you had. 6 times RHS. That's it, children. This is how we are going to do sums. Practice this sum 3-4 times. It is very easy sum, children. You will and remaining 2 sums or 3 sums are there, children, that I will say tomorrow.